Hi, welcome to this tutorial. Today we will learn how to use JERY. On the right-hand side of the screen, we can see the activity of our database server. On the left-hand side is the console of our client. We suppose you already installed JERY at this point. If not, watch the tutorial available in the URL below. Let's start JERY by now. Here we are. Today, we will load an Oracle database with JERY. In the second part of the screen, one has to provide the database login information. If the Scott schema is not installed, no big deal, JERY will create it. For that, one needs to create the test schema first. Enable the sysdba mode, enter the system password, check if the credentials are valid, and then click the Create Test Schema button. In the new window, you have to pick up a scaling factor. The higher the factor is, the bigger will be the schema on disk. This is how the balance between a CPU and an I/O intensive load is done. And that's it. It's time now to generate the load. Select a number of users and start the load. On the server side, we can clearly see the 5 active users. The number of concurrent users can be interactively increased or decreased just by clicking the plus and minus buttons or by entering a new number of users in the dedicated field. Note at the bottom part of the window the activity statistics in red. When you are done, just click the Stop Load button. An option allows you to run the load for a predefined duration. In the current example, we will load the database with 6 users for a minute. The video is now broadcasted in a fast-forward mode. After a minute, we can see that the load stopped by itself. And that is basically it. You know all you have to know for running JERY.